Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can cancel a booking on booking.com, as well as run through one or two things that you need to keep in mind. So let's dive in. Alright, so we're jumping in now, and of course sometimes our plans change, especially if we're pre-booking travel in, within the future in a couple of weeks or months. So let's jump into how we can actually cancel a booking on booking.com, and let's understand some of their policies and their deadlines. So first of all, you need to log in and access your booking. This will require you to enter your login details. You can also open your confirmation email, which I will show you in just a second, and then click the link to manage your reservation. They will also have a QR code there, so if you are using your mobile device, you can just scan that QR code. You then need to find your reservation, so you'll navigate to the bookings tab right at the bottom of your page, and you'll go in there. You'll see the manage bookings section, and then you're going to locate the reservation that you wish to cancel. You can now click on the three dots. You'll find the cancel booking button from the prompts, and then you can verify your cancellation. You will then also receive a confirmation email once it's complete. Here are some important tips and policies to keep in mind. First of all, most places offer free cancellations up to a specific date. You just need to check your booking details for the exact deadline to avoid any penalties. Also, some reservations may have non-refundable or partial refund policies, especially booked at a discount rate. And if you encounter any issues during the cancellation, you can contact booking.com's 24/7 customer service, which is available to assist you via chat, email, or even a phone call. And then once the free cancellation period expires, the last thing to remember is you may be charged a percentage of or the full amount of your booking. All right, so let's have a look at that email. You will receive an email that looks like this, and this is one of my past reservations. And the cancellation policy, it says, please note, if cancelled, modified, or in case of a no-show, the total price of the reservation will be charged. So in this case, I was not able to cancel my reservation. You can also see that in this section over here, if you are able to cancel it, you will have a link right over here to manage that cancellation. I hope this was helpful.